What if you are asked to solve this simple quadratic equation by factorization? Well, observe that the leading coefficient is 1, which is good, right? But you have to come up with two numbers, which when you multiply them together, you get the constant term. And once you add, you get the coefficient of x, which is -4. Can you come up with such numbers? I don't think it is that simple, but let me show you how you can do that. I want you to rewrite the first two terms. So we have x² minus 4x. Add something here, which is the square of half the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is what? -4. And -4 divided by 2 is -2 squared is 4. So add 4 and instantly remove it. Then drop down +2 here. This is equal to 0. Can you see that -4 minus 4 is 0? So it's like we have added 0, which will not change anything. But the first three times will always be perfect, which can be factorized as what? X, half this one is -2, everything squared. That is the first 3 times. But we still have -4 plus 2, which is -2. I want to write this one as difference of two squares. So therefore, I can confidently attach square root here and also raise it to the power of 2. Can you see that? Because power of 2 will always eliminate square root. Now that we have difference of two squares, you take this one, that is x minus 2, then minus this one, minus square root of 2, then multiplied by, you take this again, x minus 2, but this time around you add, because we subtracted, then later we add. This is equal to 0. Now, our expression to the left is fully factorized. So we can solve it by factorization. Just set each factor to be 0. It implies that x is either equal to, if this crosses over, it becomes +2. This becomes positive square root of 2. This is the first solution. Or the other one, if this crosses over, it becomes +2. If this crosses over, it becomes negative square root of 2. So these are the two solutions to this quadratic equation. Very simple, right?